So here we've got the Gouach, if that's how it's pronounced, infinite battery. Not too long ago on Indiegogo. Battery that you can open up, change individual cells with no welding. Just arrived, so let's see what's in the boxes. Got quite a few different individual boxes going on here. So, what we got? So let's open up the big one. Oh, this is the shell. So this is the aluminium case. Oh, the quality of it feels good. So one of the selling points for this battery is that it's a fireproof case. So only feels the part. Well, this looks like the cell holders. Yeah, there we go. So this is kind of like a compression system. So you put the cells in and then you put hardware through it, nuts and bolts, hold the whole thing together. Quality of it certainly feels very nice. Version 2.3.0, 48 volt configuration this one. Nuts and bolts and hardware and even a tool. Heavyweight charger, feels good quality. 2 amp, so it's probably a silent one without a fan in it, but it feels weighty. Keys, some sort of mounting bracket. Oh, it's the lock itself. Nice logo embossed in it. More nuts and bolts. Some other bracket and mount. I think that sort of goes onto the end of this. There's your power button for it. Again, feels good quality. That's the handle for the end of the pack. This looks like it might be a BMS. Quite sure why that one's got a QR code on it. Keep that in case I need it. Oh no, it's not a BMS. Oh no, that's how it terminates and connects to your actual bike. Pre-wired, potting material, keep it waterproof. Anderson connectors. Looks good. I presume then in this packet is the BMS. It's separately packaged, it's probably just a PCB, yeah, there we go. So this is the BMS, the battery management system. It's supposed to have a very clever system where it can tell you lots of information about your batteries, whether things are dying or need replacing, which batteries are at fault, etc. all via phone app, I believe. Some rubber seals. So the last thing we got is this bracket. Full metal, aluminium construction. Really nicely cut, good quality. So all in all, the quality of all the parts seems really good on first impressions. Big bonus to this setup is that if you're a DIY tinkerer on the e-bike world, then this might be the only battery you need. Often batteries die because of one cell taking the pack out and then you can't access that cell. Well, this kind of overcomes that because you can unscrew it, replace the one cell that the app's telling you to replace, and then you can bolt it back together, and in theory you've got a working battery pack again. So could really help the sustainability of this side of e-bikes and the repairability and circular economy. So all in all, yeah, first impression's good. So let's wait to see once I've built it, and then I'll do another video. I'll keep you posted.